Another oil change that turned out to be quite expensive. I'm going to repair the drain plug threads. The engine was completely disassembled for the job. Let's get started. Don't miss the details. The weld buildup can't have any voids, so I used a grinding disc to remove just enough material to prepare the area for welding. I'll start from the inside of the engine. This creates a solid welding base and makes it much easier to build up the material on the outside. I've seen comments from people saying they do this same repair with the engine still installed. I respect everyone's opinion, but in my experience, it doesn't result in the same quality of work. I prefer doing it this way every time because it helps maintain a consistent standard. I built up the weld heavily, even going slightly above the final required height. Now it's time for the drill press. Here I'm using a broken 20mm drill bit that I sharpened and repurposed as a boring tool. The drill press table rotates. A coordinate table would be much better for this kind of work, but with a little creativity, you can still get the job done. The standard drain plug thread size is M12 by 1.5. I always start with a smaller drill bit first. To begin cutting the new threads, I use the drill chuck itself to guide the tap and keep it perfectly aligned. There's always the temptation to drive the tap all the way down using the chuck, but if it breaks, you've got a serious problem. So I finish threading by hand to avoid that risk. And don't forget to drill this small hole at the end. It allows all the oil inside the engine to drain completely during future oil changes. Job